Hello guys, welcome back to Whichever Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Epic Games Launcher uninstall error. Epic Games Launcher is currently running and you're not able to uninstall it, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, when you're having this issue, you just have to go here in the taskbar and click on right click and go to Task Manager. And from here, as you can see, that Epic Games Launcher is working, so you just have to select it and go for End Task. This is the first step what you have to do. And once after that, you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for Control Panel. You have to search for Control Panel. Now you have to go for Programs and Features. Now from here, you will be getting Epic Games Launcher, right? You have to select this and go for Uninstall. And when you click on this, it will get uninstalled and will be headache will be completely over. And this is about it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment sections. So that's it. This is Shaheen officially signing. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.